Hello everybody! So, I got my 97 Honda Magna 750, the good old wrecked 97 Magna, back from the mechanic, and he gave me a clean bill of health. So I wanted to tell you what he told me it needed or had needed, and he took care of. I won't go through all the things that I did to the bike before he got it, but I wanted to have a professional look it over. So, what do we got? It said the front brake rotor is worn and should be replaced. So, that could be done. He said the rear brake pivot, you know guys, I was complaining about the rear brakes not working and probably needing shoes. He said the rear brake pivot was tight. He removed it and cleaned it, and now it's working perfectly. So we do have rear brakes again. That's something I was concerned about. I wasn't sure if the chain needed replaced. He said adjusted and lubed up the chain. So now it's sitting outside. Unfortunately, let's get it inside. So that was actually a good thing. When he went to check tire pressures, the rear valve stem broke off. So he replaced the rear valve stem. So we have a new one now. Check tire pressures, they're good. He said all lights were working. Added oil and coolant, and I'm not sure if I did an oil change on this. So this is definitely gonna need an oil change. The battery box is broken, so he zip tied that in place. That's not a big deal whatsoever. Front fender is cracked. Didn't realize there wasn't a bolt in here. It's interesting. So the front fender, yes, it's cracked from the accident. Not even concerned about that. I am concerned that there's no bolt in there. Not sure why that is. I should put a bolt in there. Right now it's just kind of hanging there. If we put a bolt in there, I would be happy with not worrying about that crack. Not sure why there's not a bolt in there. And I said, is there anything that would keep this thing from passing Pennsylvania State inspection? He said, maybe the front rotor, maybe the fender being cracked. So I even think we have a fender around here we could put in it. He said the bike runs really nice for the mileage, which is currently listed as 43,570. So bike runs nice for the mileage. He did say the air filter looked okay. So there you go, guys. I'm not going to go over, like I said, everything I did to the bike. All lights, brakes, turn signals, everything works. Horn works. So there we go. If this bike was being sold, it's got a clean bill of health and it could go on down the road. I'm sure I'll get some riding done. I better keep it safe and happy over the winter. And then we'll put her back on the road next season. Hopefully I get a couple times to ride, because we do have the Vance & Hines pipes, and they're always fun to listen to, and this is an enjoyable ride. So it's good to have a wreck rebuild certified and cleared for riding by someone else, because you never know. If you're rebuilding themselves, you have a chance of missing something. So thanks for watching, guys. That is the... Oh, I think I had some bolts missing in the seat, and he put one in here for me. That's great. And this rear seat actually has, I think this grab handle is supposed to be above the seat. I'll have to get that goes up there somewhere. I think it's twisted. Anyway, yep, that's it. Great to have another eye on the bike. So I'll see you guys on the next one with another bike project, or get out and ride. Have a great one. See you then.